All right, let's dive into the juicy world of philosophers, psychoanalysts, and writers, aka the folks who spend way too much time thinking about why we do what we do. Now, while no one can 100% claim credits for this idea, the French psychoanalyst Jacques Lacan, the guy who basically made Freud even more complicated, it's a top contender. Lacan famously said, "Desire is the desire of the other." Translation: humans are like Wi-Fi networks. We crave connections and really want someone to notice and click on us. Our deepest wish isn't just to have stuff, but to be desired, loved, and recognized. Freud, the OG of psychoanalysis, had similar vibes. He thought a lot of what we do boils down to wanting acceptance, affection, and maybe a little applause. Basically, we are all just kids on the playground hoping someone says, "Hey, you are cool." Now, I will be real with you. My biggest desire right now? For you to smash that like button and subscribe. But seriously, what about you? What's your greatest desire? Let me know, unless it's chocolate. In that case, we are both on the same page. Now let's talk seriously in our channel, Jupyter Notebooks. So I had an idea. I created a bat file, 2 bat files to be more precise. Conda, Python, Java install. You just click on it and I hope it will install Java, Miniconda, Jupyter Notebook. This script is used just one time, just for installation. I think you can insert a virus in my computer. Okay. You can read the bat file, and you see that we just install Java, insert Java in system variables, we install Miniconda, and we install Jupyter in my Jupyter. You copy the bat file, you copy this bat file to the desktop, and you click on it. It asks if you want to allow this app to make changes in your device. Yes. Press key to continue. It's done. And we install everything you need for open a Jupyter Notebook inside your PC, inside your Windows PC. You don't see any kind of a strange command telling to the computer, give me all your control. No, you will not have any problem with this bat file. Okay, we use this just once, as I said, and then you use this other one to open the Jupyter Notebook. In this case, we installed Miniconda in C Miniconda. Okay, we open my notebooks, the directory where you will save all your notebooks, and then we launch Jupyter Notebooks. Okay, you just copy these bat files to here. Bat's like saying to computer, do what is written inside me. Just this. To summarize, this bat file, Conda, Python, Java install, is written to you install Conda, open Conda here. A window like this in your browser, okay? Something like this. You go to my GitHub and you select what you want to download. For example, let's get this EG install Java, IPython. Select this here and then you download it. It's already in IPyNB format. You will insert it inside your notebook's folder. If you use these instructions, your notebook folder will be My Notebooks. You insert the file there. I will not do it. Okay, cancel. You insert there and you will see your file here. You give a click and it will be open. If you click this now inside this window or this cell, following these instructions, you will get the results here and in the folders selected. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.